Hey YouTubers, it's Living Green, Living Smart. It's George here. I received MarsHydro light today from Amazon's warehouse, and I decided to come out to a park where there's nice natural daylight to unveil the box and show you guys how you guys can expect this box to arrive at your place. Mine looks a little beat up here. As you can tell, the corner of the box is not so great, but overall I'd say the box arrived somewhat in one piece. There's another rip there. Looks like it's been dropped and handled a little rough, but overall I'm hoping the product inside is not damaged, so we'll find out how it opens and go from there. So I'm going to start cutting this open and we're going to see what the product looks inside. It's fragile, so this is where the problem is. The sticker on the inside should have technically been on the outside of Amazon's box, so they handle it with care. Let me open this one here too. I got a helper on my my videos, so he's gonna help out and unbox, or help me unbox this product. So it's well taped. It says fragile on it, like I said, and the packing, where it came from, the distribution, MarsHydro dimmable. This is the TS1000 series that I got. Once again, carefully start opening it up. It's a steak knife, so it has some zigzag on it so I don't accidentally cut the product by mistake. So this box is extremely well taped up, not been opened at all. There we go. So the inside for MarsHydro, here's the warranty card. And then here's the instructions. Okay, so getting close to the light. Here's the rope ratchet. The rope ratchet is a really nice option to level the light or adjust the height. And when I do a video here on installing this, you'll get to see why you should always look for a rope ratchet light hanger, because they're just great. In North America we have the 3-prong, so that came correctly. I'm not in Europe. Europe's got a different plug altogether. Okay, so as you can tell, the light is well packaged in here with foam, so even if the box does take a little bit of an impact, MarsHydro did take the initiative and the extra step to ensure that the product does not get damaged, and I'm very pleased with the way that it is packaged, so it will take a good beating by the shippers if it does get dropped. So this definitely is something I want to point out, that they did a good initiative to make sure the product is safely impacted. So I'm going to take the product out and flip it around, and as you can see, MarsHydro here, very nice unit, just beautiful to actually look at, quite spectacular. I've seen quite a few of these lights out there, and honestly I think this one is probably one of the nicer ones. No fan, it's completely fanless. So I'm going to take off the side here just to completely bring out what it looks like from the top. As you can tell, MarsHydro, and it's completely, the heat sink is built right onto the top of the light, and it's very light, no fan like I said, very pretty and very light. So that's one of the key features on here. Now if you look closely at the back, you can definitely adjust the output. I'll flip it around here so it's correctly shown in the video. So the adjustment here for the lumens, you can adjust and change the intensity of the light, quite nice. So you got right up to 100%, and the lowest looks like it's 25%. So definitely, so this is the MarsHydro light on the inside, all the LEDs, you can actually feel them. So that's one of the things here I'm going to do a test on to see if they do burn plants or if they don't burn plants, and how close you should be within the scope of the light because of that, you know, there's no glass covering it at all. So is the glass an important part, or can we just go off of growing stuff directly like that? So it's a very pretty light, very nicely engineered. It's aluminum, very light, and you know, it's definitely fanless, so it's not gonna make the noise that you're used to from other lights, especially if you turn it up all the way, because it does have an intensity output on the back you can adjust from 25% all the way up to 100. So it depends on what application you have this light set up to. That's how you're gonna lock it into where you want it. But it being not having any fans on it, that's a really nice big seller in my opinion. And is this the light that everyone should be talking about? Is this the light that will grow beautiful tomatoes in your tent at home? Is it the light that will grow beautiful veggies and whatever you put underneath? So I'm gonna test that all out and try and see what the capabilities of this light is. Quite the light, and very pleased with it. So I can hardly wait to get to the installation video and actually fire this up, adjust it with the ratchet, and show you guys just how bright it is. We're going to do a test on it by growing seeds from scratch, and is this the light that everyone should be using? Is it that great? So let's put this product to the test and take a look. So on the inside of the box, they have a piece of plywood just to protect the MarsHydro light from breakage. So you'd have to really give a good impact for this piece of wood to go. So I'm going to put everything back nicely in the box and get this product all set up in the greenhouse and show you guys what a fantastic light this really is. What do you say?
Yeah.
You like that light, don't you?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Looks pretty hot. Gonna grow some good tomatoes with that kind of light.
Yeah. Mars tomatoes.
Some Mars tomatoes? Yeah, I think I like that idea. Mars tomatoes. And it's beautiful. You can stop it.